So guys, according to the Go Hub News, December Community Day 2021 is going to be very exciting. The event takes place on December 18th and 19th, 2021 and features all of the previous Community Day Pokemon in various encounters. Oh god, this is a great opportunity to collect Pokemon with exclusive moves and improve your PvP and PvE roster. So guys, there are many Pokemon. So now let's talk about the date and time. Saturday, December 18, 2021 from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. local time. And Sunday, December 19, 2021 from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. local time. The event bonuses, let's read about it. Incense activated during the event will last for 3 hours. Lure modules activated during the event will last for 3 hours. Half hatch distance when eggs are placed in an incubator during the event. 2 into catch XP and 2 into catch Stardust. Special bonuses now from Friday, December 17, 2021 at 1 p.m. local time to Sunday, December 19, 2021 at 11:59 p.m. local time to celebrate the last community day of the year. Yeah guys, it is the last community day of the year. 2 additional bonuses will be available all weekend. 25 reduced Stardust cost for trades, 1 extra special trade per day. Oh my god. And what are the exclusive moves? Let's see the exclusive moves. Charizard with Dragon Breath, fast attack. Beedrill with Drill Run. The Alakazam with counter. Machamp with payback. Gengar with Shadow Punch. Gyarados with Aqua Tail. Vaporeon with Scald. Jolteon with Zap Cannon. And Flareon with Super Power. Espeon with Shadow Ball. Umbreon with Physic. Leafeon with Bullet Speed. And Glaceon with Water Pulse. Sylveon with Psyshock and Shiftry with Bullet Speed, which is a fast attack. Altaria with Moonblast. Empoleon with Hydro Cannon. And Luxray with Physic Fangs. Roserade with Bullet Seed, which is fast attack, and fire type Weather Ball. Oh my god. Roserade, we have to catch a Roserade. And Garchomp with Earth Power. Rhyperior with Rock Wrecker. Then Porygon Z with Dry Attack. Dusknoir with Shadow Ball. Electivire with Flamethrower and Magmortar with Thunderbolt. Superior with Frenzy Plant. And Emboar with Blast Burn. Samurott with Hydro Cannon and Talon Flame with Incinerate. Now, let's just see the Pokemons which are going to be available most frequent in the wild. So yes, the Pokemons of the past community days will be available. Machop, Rosegila, Swablu, Gibble, Snivy, Fletching on Saturday, December 18 and Sunday, December 19 will be Eve, Duskull, Shinx, Tepig and Oshawott. Eve caught during the event will know last resort. Okay. Now egg hatches, so the following Pokemon will be hatching from 2 km eggs collected during the event. Charmander, Labra, Ghastly, Rhyhorn, Magikarp, Porygon, Elekid, Magby, Sweedot, Piplup and Budew. And raid battles, Charmander, Labra, Ghastly. Okay, again the same. And Magmar, Electabuzz, Porygon, Magikarp, Rhyhorn. Special research. Okay, what is a special research and timed research, field research tasks? Oh my god, it is going to be very good and we are going to get mega energy. So yes, it is going to be very good. Let's see the special research story. You will be able to access the December Community Day exclusive special research story. December Community Day 2021. Stay tuned for when tickets for the December Community Day 2021. And a special research story, go live tickets are non-refundable. So yes, for the special research, it will not include an in-game medal. Time research from Saturday, December 18, 2021 at 11 a.m. local time to Monday, December 20, 2021 at 10 a.m. PST local time research will be available with tasks focused on all the Pokemon that have been featured in the Community Day events over the past 2 years. Okay. And the field research task from Friday, December 17, 2021 at 10 a.m. to Monday, December 20, 2021 at 10 a.m. PST complete certain field research tasks to earn Mega Energy for the following Pokemon: Gyarados, Charizard, Beedrill, Gengar and Altaria. Mega Energy can be hard to come by, so it will be well worth grinding out some tasks if you are able to safely. December Community Day 2021 event bundles, 30 Ultra Balls will be available at the shop at no cost. Then available from Friday, December 17, 2021 at 10 a.m. to Monday, December 20, 2021 at 10 a.m. PST GMT 8, where there will be a special one-time purchase community day box available for 1,280 Pokecoins featuring a 50 Ultra Ball, 6-star pieces, an Elite Fast TM and an Elite Charge TM. Oh my god. This is going to be the most exciting event, most exciting community day. Pokemon storage and item bag cap increase. Okay. To help you prepare for the biggest community event of the year, the maximum amount of Pokemon and item will be increased. You will be able to purchase item bag and Pokemon storage expansions from the shop, so you can stock up on Pokeballs and store all Pokemon you will catch during December Community Day. Pokemon storage expansion cap 5,000 to 5,500 and item bag extension cap will be from 4,000 to 4,500, so you can buy it. This change will go into effect on Thursday, December 16, 2021 at 1 p.m. PST. Conclusion. So with the community day moves, remember you can always TM them away, but to get them back you need an elite TM. So if you aren't sure, go for the evolution and look into it afterwards. So yes, that's all for the day, and I think these are all the main Pokemons you can see and you can evolve them. So yes, this is all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like, please share the video with others, and please subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.